Hello friends, on this video I'll show you how to set avatar on your Instagram ID. And friends, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. But first you have to move on Instagram app. Click on profile. Here click on this three line. Click on setting. Click on account. Here click on avatar. Here click on no create new avatar to to create new avatar. Okay, you can choose any color for your avatar. Okay, click on next after set it. Okay, it's loading. Here you can choose some outfits also, but this one is you can choose your hairstyle for your avatar. Just click on any hairstyle and it will be set, even outfit also. Okay, if you has done, then click on done, then click on save changes. Here it's creating. Right, it's updated. Click on next. Here it's done. Okay, you just send it. Your profile has been updated. And friends, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.